Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Parchy Tech. So today I have another unboxing. I did one previously on the watches with the bumper cases and protectors. So now I have some new ones because those I really saw a difference between those and the other and one that I had before. So if you take a look at this, for example, you can see that the bezels are way in on the screen here, the gold bezel, so it makes the screen seems a little small. So I got some other ones that make it looks a little sleeker and adds a little more real estate to the screen by adding the black bezels on the corners here on the bumpers. So it does make it look a little bit better, closer to what the watch face is without a bumper on there. So I'm gonna unbox that and compare it to this. And also I have the TPU bumpers, so I'm gonna compare this with the tempered glass bumper. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the band from this. Alright, but before I do that, head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. Alright, so if you check my channel, you could see that I did an unboxing of these cases, these bumper cases for the Apple Watch. So I'm gonna unbox these new ones and compare it a little bit to this TPU case. Alright, so sorry about the sound in the background. Alright, that's the baby crying right there. Alright, so let me take this watch band off. Let's go. So I gotta remove this first, the TPU covers, to get it off. So let me raise that up a little bit and pull this out. Boom. That's another thing that I hate about this TPU. It comes all the way to the bottom, so it covers the little button that you use to remove the watch band. So let me take this off. And these are pretty hard to put on as well, the TPU. That's one difference between this and the tempered glass version. Alright, so that's off. And let me remove this one from the Apple Watch. So you can't even tell a difference that this is on there because it's the same color as the watch. Alright, see how easy that pops off? Alright, so let me get a cleaning cloth. I'll be right back. Let me pause this and I'll turn it on as soon as I get back. Alright, so for example, this is the TPU. You see how this bends right here? See how flexible it is? This is the tempered glass. You can't bend this one. It's the hard case with the tempered glass inside. And as I was showing you before, see, this doesn't have the black bezels, and this has a black bezel inside of the frame right here on the tempered glass. So it pretty much, you can't tell the difference with that and the Apple Watch bezels because it pretty much just blends in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. Before I do that, let me I don't have to remove the band from this one, but just to show you, this is the Apple Watch Series 5 in my left hand right here, and the Apple Watch SE on the right. Alright, and this is a 40mm, this is a 44mm. So let me go ahead and start unboxing before you guys get bored. So let me remove the label. Open the first box, see what we have inside here. Alright, so this is the transparent case for the Apple Watch. Alright, so this is a 2-pack. I'm just gonna put one of them aside. And here's how it looks. So this is a see-through case. It's just in case you don't want to hide the design of your watch. Alright, so this is for the 44mm right here. So I'm gonna put that on, see how it looks. It's really easy to put these on and pop them off. So let me go ahead, put that on. Boom, there we go. That's it. As simple as that. And it has like a plastic on the top here that you peel off so it looks even shinier. Alright, I'm not gonna take that off as yet because I'm gonna take this off and try another one on the watch. So I'm gonna link all these that I have here in the description, so you can go ahead and purchase these if you want to. Alright, so just click on the link and you can purchase it from there. And all these are on Amazon. Alright, so I popped that one off. Now we're gonna pop another one on here. Let me see, this one is, let's open this one and see what's inside. I'm not sure exactly what's what because these packages are not labeled right here, so we're just gonna open them and see what we have inside. So this one comes with a cleaning cloth, and this is for the 40 millimeters, as you can see, and this is a red one. So you could wear this if you want to put your watch in red. If you want to change it up a little bit, add a little style or color to your watch, alright, you could go ahead and do that. Put the red one on, and this is a gold watch, so pretty much if you snap this on, it's gonna look good. So let me just snap it on, see what it looks like. Boom. I mean, it's really nice, not bad. See a little bit, that little sticker sticking out there that you peel off. So I didn't peel that off, so it sticks out a little bit, but looks really nice. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take this off, snap another one on here, see what it looks like. Oops. So this is the red, and this comes with two of them inside as well. Really cheap on Amazon. Oh, it's a red and black combo, so you can see you got black and red. Alright, so you get two of them inside. So let's put these back in the box. Alright, so those, I'm gonna put those aside. We're done with those. We're done with these transparent ones. Let's go ahead and check again, see what else we have here. Alright, so this one, I know I got another set of transparent ones for the 40 millimeters. I think this is it. Let's open this. Alright, yep, this is for the 40 millimeters, so this is a transparent one. So we're gonna pop this on there, see what it looks like. Make sure our watch face is clean. Alright, let's clean that off. No dust or fingerprints should be on there, so let's clean it off. Put this on, snap it on, boom. That's what it looks like. Alright, looks really nice on the watch, gives it a nice look. Alright, so that's the clear case, as you can see how it looks on the watch. Alright, so now we're gonna take this one off and add the other one that we have here. I think I have a gold one, another gold one. Let me open that one and see what it looks like. Alright, let's open up this one. Let's see what we have here. Seems like they sent more than what I should get, because I'm sure I didn't order this much. Let's see what else we have here. So these two red ones, these are for the 44 millimeters, which is the black one. so I'm gonna go ahead, snap this on, see what it looks like, clean this off a little bit. Plastic still in there. All right. Boom. So that's what it looks like. Looks really nice. All right. So let's take this off, and we're gonna put on the gold one on the gold Apple Watch. All right, so I decided to leave it on there. I'm probably gonna beat this one, the red. So I really like how this looks. I'm just gonna keep this one on there. Makes it looks a little like the Apple Watch 6, right? The red version. So this is the Apple Watch 5 series, the 44mm, and it looks really nice with this TPU cover. Sorry, not TPU, it's tempered glass with the hard plastic bumper. Looks really nice. So now we're gonna open the last pack that we have here. Let's see what we have here. All right, this is the last one that we're gonna open here. This should be the gold. Yep, this is the gold. This looks like rose gold compared to the other gold. Looks a little bit different. Let's put this on and see what it looks like though. Alright, so we're gonna clean this off. Where's my cleaning cloth? Here we go. So we're gonna clean this off. Make sure there's no dust. Then we're gonna pop this one on. So you peel that off. And we're gonna put this on. So you pull it over the crown first, and then you boom, voila. That's what it looks like. Alright, so this is it. So compared to the other one, you notice this has a black bezel on the inside, so it makes the watch face looks more like the normal size. This one kind of cut off that black bezel a little bit, so it made the screen seem smaller than it is. So I'm gonna take one out and show you how it looks in the box. So this is what I'm talking about here. So you can see that this has a black bezel right here, so it blends in with the screen. So the screen looks like the normal size, but this one comes all the way over, covers that black bezel, so the screen seems really small after that. So I have the link to all these. I'm gonna link those in the description. If you want to get them, you can always get them, try them out, change up your watch a little bit depending on your style for that day, your dress code. You can always add a color that goes with that. So these are really nice accessories you can add to your Apple Watch to make it a little bit different, change it up a little bit. All right, so this is the old one, the TPU. As you can see, the hard cases looks way better. Alright, so don't make that mistake if you're buying bumpers for your Apple Watch. Just make sure it shows that it's a tempered glass protector, alright, and not TPU. So thank you for watching. Remember, head on down below, hit the subscribe button before you get off this video, and turn on that notification bell. Alright, thank you for watching again. Peace.